Welcome guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard laptop motherboard driver. So first you have to come to this website www.gigabyte.com. Then you can see here the search button. Then enter your model number of motherboard and then hit enter. After you can see this is all specifications and configurations and details also. Then click to product. Then click on the title. Then click to support. So guys, select your operating system which is your required driver. So you can install and watch this video to install the driver. And both are also there, is Windows 10 and 11 like that. So first audio driver, you can see here, click to download. This is SD audio driver, you can see here. And this is downloaded. Open and just double click to and then click to yes. Now you can see this is installing. It will close automatically when this is done. So guys, it is close means it is installed.